Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Fiat key fob. A couple things you need. One is your new battery. This takes one 2032 battery. And you can get these on Amazon. They're inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you to Amazon and get you what you need. And this, like a small flathead screwdriver. Alright, so first order of business is slide the key out. Now, there's a little piece here that says lock and unlock. Move that to unlock. Now the way this works, it just kind of pivots out like that, and there's a little hinge on this side. So this is kind of how you do it. Get in there and just pivot it out. Alright. So there's your old battery. You can just pull that out with your fingers. Alright, take your old battery out, new battery in. The positive side, it says right here, positive side. So the writing on the battery goes this orientation. And then right in there is kind of where this little hook goes into. And if it doesn't go in easily, don't force it. You've done it wrong. Try it again. And then lock it up. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.